All right, so we are at day 2 of Niagara Falls. Yesterday we did Maid of the Mist.
A lot.
And the caves. We were here about 8 hours. We left, came back, and did the fireworks show at 10 o'clock, which was really, really cool. Today, we decided to go into Canada. You go over Rainbow Bridge, and you can drive or walk it. It takes, they say, 15-20 minutes to walk. We thought it'd be a cool experience to walk it, so we're gonna walk across the bridge, go do some stuff over there in Canada, and see what that's like. We've never been to another country. I mean, me and Tara did. We were on a cruise once and went to Mexico, but we've never crossed the border ourselves. So it's interesting for us, first for us. So we're all getting ready here, and we're gonna take this walk and show you guys the Canada side of Niagara Falls. Canada. So there's a line to get back into the U.S. Oh, and look guys, look at the view. We are officially in Canada, right? Yeah. I don't know. We've never done it. No, so we're gonna go into the to Canada. That's what we're gonna do. What happened?
Nothing. That was easy. Yeah. They took our passports. They asked us if we had anything to declare, which I read that you need to declare if you have snacks or water or whatever. And they asked us where we were going, and that's it.
That's it.
And so we're in.
Let's go. Fall from the other side. Yeah, so that's where we were, guys.
So we were across there. Do you remember that observation deck that we were on? Now we're on this side.
I want to go in there.
And it is a really cool view from this side, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright sis, so what are we about to do?
I forget the name of it.
What are we doing, sis? We're doing that? We're gonna go all the way up top? To the Space Needle? Alright. Are you excited about that? Okay, so we're going all the way up there, and Niagara Falls is that way, so you get to see it from the very top. Mama's afraid. I was dancing. I had dance mode. Dance mode.
Dance mode.
Do it to mom.
Dance mode.
Oh.
Dance mode.
Rudy's turn. Dance mode.
Oh, that's you dancing. Dance mode.
Shake that
Oh.
booty. The door is like on the outside.
So what's happening right now, babe?
I have to go up in this thing. I never was scared of heights until I had kids.
Yeah, skydived and everything, and now we can't even go up.
Now I'm freaking out.
We can't even go up to that without her freaking out a little bit. But this is
Why
Rudy's,
am I such a wuss now?
This is Rudy's idea.
Oh, get over.
This is what Rudy wanted to do.
I'm fine. Oh, listen to her.
He's fine.
He's fine.
Yes.
It's 775 feet above Niagara Falls. Oh, you can eat up there, babe. There's a dining.
I know, they didn't have a reservation.
There's a dining room on top of it.
There's a buffet and a dining room.
That
and
is
neither
cool.
had reservations. Can I sit down here?
No. No, you can't. You're not scared at all? Not one bit?
You're scared.
I'm nervous.
You're alive.
I'm really nervous.
I think it's coming back.
Here we go, guys.
Oh, wow, he got the paper fake.
You go in the front so you can see because this is the glass out here.
Hey, how are you, Bob?
I like to be able to see
Oh
right
my
now
God.
that window.
Thank you, brother.
All right, here we go.
Have a video like in,
Oh God. Y'all aren't nervous at all?
Head down on the right side.
Oh, here we go, guys.
Right on Niagara Falls, 520 feet. Go up to down. Down
Look, guys, look at
Take the
that.
pictures, don't be shy. I'm just a skinny guy.
Are y'all scared?
Yeah, we need it.
No?
Oh my goodness. Look at this, kids. We're fine. We're not going anywhere.
I think the T-Rex.
I don't know. I feel like we're moving. Tell me what you just did, babe.
Yeah, so I just wanted some Canadian money. So I got a $20 bill to keep for us. That's pretty awesome, right? So look, guys, look at the difference. In a
Look. So this
American
is
20. Look. So this is an American $20 and that's a Canadian $20. Isn't that crazy how different it
You
is?
give me, I want to put $20.
We're gonna keep that.
I want $20.
Well, really, I just did it so we'd have it.
for you.
Look at
So $11.90 and change.
that.
Aw. Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, that's the United States
Now the
border.
kids will have change in their collections.
That's pretty neat. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day. Look at me.
Look at mommy. Don't look at me. Look at mommy.
Look at me. Me, Rudy. Okay, so I'm not knocking America because
Yeah, no.
I absolutely love America. But everyone here in Canada are so nice.
So
it's
nice.
incredible. Everyone that we've passed, if we look lost, they're like, oh, can we help you? Like, they're just so friendly. It's amazing.
Yeah,
I love
it's
it.
very amazing. It's pretty cool. So that wraps up our time here in Grand Island in New York. 2 days in Niagara, that was pretty cool. Right?
It was awesome.
Yeah,
like
so.
Huge bucket list checked off for me.
Definitely
personally.
worth it. Definitely worth
Lots of walking.
it. Yeah.
It's hot here right now, so
It is hot.
it was a little exhausting, but we had a phenomenal time.
Yep.
And we got to go into Canada,
Yeah,
a new country
for
our
sure.
first time.
Yeah, so we're,
Hopefully there'll be more of that eventually in the future.
yep, so we are hitched up and getting out of here. We have about a 3-hour, 20-minute drive to south of Cleveland. We're there for 3 nights and we'll go from there. All right, see ya.